One, action.
Hello, my name is Sreekant Narumanchi. I lead the Advanced Power Electronics and Electric Machines group within the Energy Conversion and Storage System Center at the National Laboratory of the Rockies. We are based in Golden, Colorado. Sorry, on this one,
Just say it, one practical action.
one practical action companies can take is, but this is action towards what again?
So basically, based on your talk,
Okay.
what you were presenting in the conference, just what's one takeaway that they should consider?
One practical action companies can take is to put efforts in advanced packaging, thermal management, and reliability for electronics and power electronics for a wide range of applications. It's important to meet a lot of the higher level metrics. An emerging opportunity, again, is again tied to an emerging opportunity in advanced packaging, thermal management, reliability would be data center packaging, thermal management, reliability aspects, opportunities for pulsed power packaging, for mining geothermal applications, and probably also power electronics, electric machines, and advanced packaging for several other applications. So the biggest barrier to scaling next generation power electronics and traction systems, maybe 4 or 5 key aspects. One is cost for most of the applications that needs to come down. The cost of these subcomponents or components. Second aspect is there may be a need to reduce the amount of critical materials within these components and subsystems. So work with materials which are more abundantly available, for which there is no supply chain issues. There may be a need to make these more compact and power dense, or reduce the footprint and volume. And then the need to make them reliable. Most applications, they have stringent requirements on reliability. So these are maybe 3 or 4 key barriers.
Excellent, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.